There's two Indiana boys with their phones from their mommies and daddies.
Say hello, man. Đẹp.
Đẹp đâu? Đẹp đâu?
We showed Hugh Gabriel how poo on his shirt matches the poo on the wall.
Oh.
He says, Swan, don't go too far. I might leave you. We can watch Gabriel follow Swan around the room. He loves Swan. I think these clothes are pretty much a perfect fit, Marla.
Come on, you want to wear it? Tối. Tối mũ.
Mặc cái mèo hầm.
Tối.
Oh, Nate.
No.
Choo. Oh, Nate. Sneezing right on Chuck.
Yay. You.
Nate is absconding with Hugh's stickers. And Hugh does not seem to mind. He's got his picture of his mommy and daddy on his phone. Tao, careful, you'll fall.
Rồi các bạn